Are you dieting but still not losing weight? If you're wondering why you are not losing weight, it could be because you're doing something wrong. By the end of this video, you will find out 7 shocking mistakes that keep you from losing belly fat. These 7 mistakes are fairly common. Not a lot of people know they shouldn't do these things. Number 1. Drink fruit juice. We know that it's not good to hear, but eating fruit juice is not the best choice. Most juices contain a high level of sugar. While you're dieting, try to cut sugar out of your drinks completely. Instead of sweet coffee drinks, try black coffee. As well as be aware of sports beverages. Many sports drinks can have as much sugar as a can of soda. When dieting, try to avoid these types of drinks and drink water and only water. It's usually easier to have fat in your stomach. Number 2. You are doing the wrong exercises for belly fat. Always we are looking for a flatter stomach in 3 days or even a week, but behind it, weight loss and creating a lean body takes time and patience. Only cardio workout never gives you a better result. To get rid of belly fat, you need to do resistance training. Any type of resistance training would be help to reduce belly fat, but I personally recommend you to do ab work on a daily routine basis. Ab workouts can help improve your posture. Standing straight makes your belly look leaner and it makes you feel more confident. The right type of ab workouts strengthen my core and help me to do my other exercises more properly. Good nutrition is an important part of a healthy diet. Combined with physical activity, your diet can help you to reach and maintain a healthy weight, burn the fat in their lower abs and love handles. We make a 3 key nutrition plan tricks for you that will help you to lose fat quickly. Eating enough for you to go about your day, not overeating, eating healthy and whole foods. If you want to try and eat more healthy but you are not sure where to start, you can download my 7-day Lean Legs meal plan on description. Number 4. You don't do yoga. If you are overweight and want to lose belly fat, yoga will help you a lot. Especially when you are 30, this could be because yoga helps us to relax and reduce those stress hormones that increase belly fat. Physical activity and exercise are good for general health, but try to fit in a weekly yoga session. It is a great way to get in shape and drop some weight. Number 5. You're not eating enough protein. Protein is the single most important nutrient for losing weight. Low protein intake may bring your weight loss efforts to a standstill. Make sure to eat plenty of protein-rich foods. Protein can boost metabolism by 80 to 100 calories per day. Eating foods high in protein has many benefits, including muscle building, weight loss, and feeling fuller after eating. Though eating lots of protein may be beneficial, eating a balanced diet is an essential part of staying healthy. If you add protein to your breakfast, you will be less hungry and have fewer cravings throughout the day. Number 6. You are not sleeping well. The amount of sleep you get directly affects your diet. People who are sleep deprived tend to weigh more and have more trouble losing weight than those who get adequate rest, even when they follow the same diet. When you don't get enough sleep, your body overproduces the hunger, causing hormones leptin and ghrelin. You could be more susceptible to overeating while at the same time being less satisfied afterward. Number 7. You are stressed. Stress affects your hormones and weight. If you don't learn to relax at your work and your private life, this can lead to hunger pangs. Stress affects your hormones and weight. If you don't learn to relax at your work and your private life, this can lead to hunger pangs. Craving for sugar and simple carbohydrates increases and your diet goals are quickly tossed out the window. Look for different ways to relieve stress and boost your metabolism. Running, yoga, a bubble bath, or a relaxing evening with friends can help bring some peace to your day. The reason you are not seeing results is that you are likely not eating foods with the full range of nutrients you need for your metabolism to fulfill its primary purpose of creating and maintaining all of the trillion of cells. You can't lose weight if you eat more calories than you burn. It's not very complicated. Find the reason and solve this. You will lose weight soon.